Hello, thank you for joining me on a gentle stroll down a lane that's very close to me. It's been hammering down with rain, but now it's warm and gentle breeze, so I thought a good time for Alfie and myself to get out and about. And as ever, I've been looking at the wonders of nature. The berries, and there aren't so many down this lane, but certainly I've picked up an acorn. Memories of years in teaching and as a child taking things for the nature table at school, though that didn't always include my dad's prize chrysanthemums. I was known to say at one time that I couldn't bring any in at present because my mum said they weren't dead enough. Apparently they used to go in the house for a couple of days and then off to school. So apart from the acorns, we've got the sycamore helicopters. Simple pleasures of children, seeing who could get their helicopter to fly the best. And Alfie, you're pulling the lead, darling. As for the acorn, when I was older, I used to make and sell for charity Christmas decorations, and I often used to preserve these acorns, or maybe just the cups even, and paint them with gold, fix them onto logs that I would have collected, and sell them as table decorations. So some of the hydrangeas here are still in flower. I don't think the plants know whether they are coming or going. A bit like Alfie. Got his lead caught around me, and with it being a lane that is used by cars, I am keeping him on his lead. The plants don't know whether they're coming or going. Having said that, here comes a car. Sorted. At least he was coming nice and slowly, and I actually heard the crunch of the tyres, so we could take action to avoid him. And now I've forgotten what I was saying. Oh yes, we don't know whether we're coming or going with the seasons. The plants certainly don't. I've got plants that are flowering that shouldn't flower again until spring. Others, well, we've talked about the trees shedding their leaves early, but I think that's the dryness that made them do that. So will they therefore be coming into bud early, too early, and be damaged by the frost? I hope not. I sincerely hope not. But Mother Nature sorts herself out. She's throwing a lot at us at present with the horrendous floods in Pakistan. And I don't know about anybody else, but I find it very difficult to begin to understand what that must feel like. Yes, we've all had losses, but I don't think we've had losses where everything of ours, including friends and families, as well as our home and possessions, have been all wiped out, with nothing left for us to start again with, and nowhere left to go. what do they do? And I do feel that we struggle sometimes with compassion fatigue, that we see these things, as with the Ukrainian war, as with previous wars. It's in our rooms so constantly that we do tend to just take it for granted, which isn't a good thing. That's not a good aspect of me. I don't like it. And I wonder how representative of human beings I am. I hope I'm not. I hope that other people are feeling a lot more compassion and empathy than I am. On that note, as Alfie has got the lead caught round a plant, I had better help him and then get on with our walk. Thank you for listening. Bye.